Hey there, welcome to the video tutorial. Alright, when you first open or when you first use the MOGRT files in Premiere Pro, please do the following. Make sure that you are here in the graphics setup, so it's easier to find the MOGRT files. So here you can just, or you can now import them by clicking on this icon. Then go to the folder MOGRT files for Premiere Pro that comes with the project. And here you can now choose from different setups. This is the one where we only have 0-second hold, so we do not have any hold at all. So we have the in animation, and after that there is the out animation without any hold. And then you have several different options. This one here is with a 1-second hold. This one with a 2-second hold, and so on. And so by that you can time, later on you can time your animation or the lyrics in your animation. You have to import one by one. So let's do that for now. And there we go. Because it's easier if we have all the different setups in our essential graphics panel, so that we can choose with which one we can or with which one we want to work. All right, so now we have every setup except this one here. All right, okay. All right, so this one I forgot to introduce. This one is the MOGRT file that where we see the whole, or we see lots of text on the screen. Let me drag and drop it to our scene, so that I can give you an idea. So here we now have these typography all over the screen in case you want to use it. Okay, now let's say this is your project here, and now let's implement one of the MOGRT files. I will only do this with one of them because they all have the same workflow and the same setup. So simply drag and drop the one you want to use to the scene, like that. And here we go. Now we can see our text. Here it is. And in case you want to reposition it, go to here, the video effects control. First select this one here. Now you can simply change the position like that. You can also scale it up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Or you can also rotate it. And if you want to edit the text, so let me position it to here now. And if you want to edit it, do not forget to click it and go to Edit in the Essential Graphic panel. And in here you can now write your own text, like that. Okay, now it can take a few seconds because Premiere Pro needs to process that. Okay. In case you want to change the font, you can simply do this through the typical text menu or font menu, like that. Again, we have to wait a little while, and this text now is way too big, and because of that we can scale it down a little bit. And let's reposition it like that. All right, now let's have a look at our checkboxes here. With the help of these, you can change the color of the text. And this one is for the main color, the color that we see here, as main color. So let's change this one first. Let's change it to pink, for example. Let's go or scrub the timeline a little bit backwards so that we can now see the other colors. You can now change them as well. Maybe we will make this pink as well. This one maybe also pink, and so on. Change the color as you like. Then we also have this confetti effect, so to speak. If you do not want to have it, simply uncheck both boxes and it's gone. And you can also play with these settings here. If you want to have a filled text or if you just want to have an outline, simply play with these settings here. And yeah, all right. Okay, and that's pretty much the workflow for the whole thing. If you want to have another text, simply drag the text that you would like to work with to the scene like that. And here you can see we have now a 3-second hold after the in animation. Again, simply click it, change it like that. And yeah, do this for your whole lyric animation or whatever animation you work with, and that's pretty much it. And here again another example, simply again drag and drop it to the scene, and here we go. All right, and if you overlap both of these MOGRT files, you have kind of fade in from one to another. And yeah, that's it. In case you have problems or questions, please feel free to write us an email to support@snowcakestudios.com, and we will get back to you within one business day. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.